Hi everybody, Dr. Newmark here. I'm recording a screen capture of our Learn landing page, and I'm going to walk you through our class and some of the key contents just as a way to orient you to our English 2220 class. In the last year, some of these lower division English classes have changed their numbers. So this one used to be 290. So sometimes in the course you will see some vestigial numbers, 290 rather than 2220. So just know that those are the same class. For example, in my introductory discussion board video, which I recorded a previous semester, I say 290 in that class. So don't be confused. So what you're seeing on your screen right now, in addition to this little image of me, is our course information page. So in our Learn site, our landing spot is the course information page. So I start the course with an opening letter from me. I hope you'll read it. It shows a little image of our textbook and an image of me, and it sort of explains what I'm hoping we will accomplish this semester. Also, let me switch to student view so it's going to show you what you see. This is what you'll see when you log into our class on the first day. You'll see our syllabus, our course calendar, our discussion board, and week 1, which is start here. So I'm going to go through those with you today. So first of all, here's our syllabus. I've included it in 2 formats. Some of you might prefer DocX and some of you might prefer PDF. So I'm going to click on the PDF version right here. And you will see that there's a lot of content. I want you to work your way through all of that so that you can see all of the course objectives and you can see the required text, that we're going to do 1 collaborative project because that's really important in the field of technical communication. And then all the sort of standard information about plagiarism. But the thing that students are always really interested in is what will we be doing this semester? So here are the required assignments and grading scale. So take a look at that, that information. It lists the kinds of assignments we'll be doing and what their value is. Okay, so the other big thing that you're going to want to pay attention to is our course calendar. Here's our course calendar. Now, this document guides you through our timetable, when everything is due, at what time, how long you have for each assignment. So you're going to want to take a good look at the course calendar, starting off with week 1. Now, in some online classes, if you've taken others, they're designed such that, you know, assignments are released on a Monday, you do an initial post on Wednesday, and then you have to have responses to peers done by Friday. I apologize for the fact that this course is not going to be designed that way. There isn't sort of a regular setup of release, first post, second post per days of the week. It's just we had too much to do this semester, so things get off because of holidays and whatnot. So hopefully the way that this course calendar is designed will be pretty straightforward and comprehensible to you. But if you just take a look at week 1, you'll see Monday. I've determined that you should take a look at the course introduction and the welcome video. Wednesday, read these chapters. Friday, read another chapter. And Friday, the first thing you need to do is post an introduction of yourself in a video to the discussion board, and then by Sunday at 11:59 p.m., take a quiz. Now, of course, this is an online class, so I won't be seeing you all the time. I can't make sure that you're doing things Monday, Wednesday, Friday, but I've just included that sort of framework to give you a sense of how to guide yourself through the content in the course. Okay, so that's the key course documents. That's the information that you need to familiarize yourself with. Then we have the discussion board. Here is the first one you need to do. I've included an introductory video by myself, and so you need to include some paragraphs by yourself in a brief video so you can introduce yourself to your peers. Next item is our week 1 to-do list. Because some of you may not have been able to get the book right away, I've included the first 2 chapters as PDF. There's a list of things to do. This is how it'll happen every week. I include a numerical list of things that you need to accomplish. And then I always email you at least twice a week just to make sure that you're staying on top of all the things that you need to stay on top of. So now, before I sign off from this video, because I am getting over a little bit of the flu, so I'm going to try to keep this brief. You're probably all glad that you have me in an online class rather than a face-to-face class. I just want to explain to you a little bit of the logic of this class. So English 2220, I like to think of as the springboard into our technical and professional communication minor or certificate programs. So I'm the director of the minor and the certificate in technical and professional communication at UNM. I love welcoming new students into these degree pathways. These are supplements to your major. If you're an English major, you can do the certificate in technical and professional communication. You can't do the minor. But if you are a student from another major, you can do the minor in technical and professional communication. And this course is intended to introduce you to the profession. So we learn about what technical communicators do and what genres they work in and what kinds of workplaces they work in. What their ethical parameters are, what their habits of mind are, what kind of formal conventions they use in their writing. Technical and professional communication is a great field to go into these days. It's highly remunerative, which means you can make a good living right out of your bachelor's degree. So I'm very much an enthusiast for this profession, and I really encourage you to take a note of when my office hours are. They are on Wednesdays from 11 to 12 in 367 Humanities. And come talk to me. Talk to me about the class. Talk to me about this field. I'm really here to help you, and I'm really excited to have all of you in class this semester. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and let's have a great semester together.